Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be your second to last project of the school year. It is called the Location Performance Task. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this document in Google Classroom and you're going to read everything. So the top says, analyze and interpret data on natural hazards to forecast future catastrophic events and inform the development of technologies to mitigate their effects. Mitigate in this case just means trying to prevent or stop or kind of decrease some of the disaster. Prompt 1, or step 1. In this activity, you will propose the best location for a new school on the Big Island of Hawaii. You will need to analyze the data and the resources provided below, as well as any additional resources you may find to answer the following questions. Develop criteria to identify the best location, record any patterns that you see between seismic activity and volcanic eruptions, and then use your evidence from the material given to determine where on the island would be the best location. So the next box gives you a couple of different sites. So it gives you all of these different resources and materials and information. And you do not by any means have to use all of these sites, but I definitely suggest going through and reading some of this information. Because then what you're going to do is you're going to look at the island of Hawaii. And there is A, B, and C. There are 3 different proposed cities. And what you're going to do is read through those articles to determine, is A, B, or C the best location to build a new building based on the research I gave you. So what you're going to do is you're going to determine what defines a good location. Why have you decided that particular spot makes a good location? Maybe it's got resources. Maybe it's near fault lines. Maybe it's not near fault lines. Give me everything as much as you can and fill in that box. List the patterns you see between seismic activity and volcanic eruptions. So here, you're really going to compare and contrast earthquakes and volcanoes in terms of A, B, and C. Which of these sites is going to have the least amount of these things occurring? Step 6. Use your research to determine where on the island would be the best location for the school and support your decision with evidence. So, support your decision with evidence. You're writing me a CER. You're giving me a claim. Which location is the best? Evidence. I've given you evidence. You have to summarize these and tell me why is that evidence important. And then your reasoning. You need to reason why is this evidence important to your specific site. And the last one, provide examples of technologies that will mitigate the effects of earthquakes and volcanoes. So what types of technology can help us deal with these natural disasters? You can use information you find on these sites. You can use information in the past web quests and our past PowerPoints. You can also do your own research if you want to find information. However, if you use any external site that I did not give you, you need to list it here and tell me, this is a site where I found some information. So you're going to have all week to fill in this document. I do not think it will take you 4 full days to do this. However, I would like you to also think about any summative makeups you would like to do and email me in the next couple of days so I can create summative retakes for those of you who want to do summative retakes. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a wonderful week.